Hey everybody, how we doing? It's Larry here again for Fitness and Food and the Leoy Systems family of stuff. What I want to just quickly show you guys today is meal prepping. I did a couple of videos about this already and they're all over the internet, but this goes along with the last video I made about the beef with carrots. I took about 3 pounds of beef stew meat and made it. Took me maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I got all my foods. What you see here is I have 4, of these meal containers here. So I set aside 4 meals already, I actually already had one, and I already had breakfast. It's about noon now, so I've already eaten one of these, plus breakfast before that. So with that said, right here, I also have 3 protein shakes that I'll have either with these throughout the day or in between. If I'm kind of feeling hungry after I eat one, I'll just grab one of these to kind of hold me off to the next feeding. But there's about 25 grams of protein in all of these. There's 30 in each one of these. Right here is 190 grams of protein, plus what I already had this morning, which was another, I don't know, 46 grams of protein on top of the 190 that I'm going to have today. And I have more food in case I want. Right here, these meals right here, these 4-ish meals, is roughly about almost 1,700 calories right here. Now, depending on my goal, if I want to gain muscle and size and weight to be bigger and stronger, I need to easily double this for me today. If I want to lose weight, like I said in a couple of videos ago, that if I reduced it down to 2,600 calories a day, I'm about 1,000 calories away from, what I should be eating. So if I exercise and do things on top of eating this little bit, the food before, so with breakfast and this will be putting me around 2,100 calories. So again, 2,100 calories so far with all of this stuff. If my goal was only 26 to lose a small amount of weight per week, and if I'm exercising a little bit more, I should be dropping weight fast. Now, if it's the complete opposite and I want to gain weight, I need to double this amount of food, and I could gain a little bit of weight, plus exercising really heavy and doing the appropriate exercises to build muscle and build strength. So just to give you an idea, I made the beef with carrots from my last video. It gave me 5 meals in total. I've already had one, so I got 4 more left to go. For me, that's a day's worth of food. For somebody who's losing weight, they don't need to eat this much, They won't eat this much. So these will last longer. So it took me about 2 hours to make a day's worth of food. So if I spend an entire day cooking, I could make 4 or 5 days worth of food and I'm good to go. So again, it's really not difficult. Once you know what to have and how many calories you need to have and how many grams of protein you need to have based on your exercise level and your activity level, this is everything that Lifestyle Dynamic does. Lifestyle Dynamic Nutrition, I can't even say these words, we give you those numbers. We give you the guidelines. We give you the goal setting, We help you along the line. And if you want us to be there every step of the way, we can. So just keep that in mind. It's not that difficult to cook a few hours a day. This thing, I put it on my stove and I came back an hour later, checked on it, added some stuff, let it go again. And that's how easy it is. These things can be done simply. If you want to cook, you want to get fancy and you want to, do different things, you can do that too. And then you can separate your meals throughout the day and have variety throughout the day. This is all exactly the same. So if you're okay with eating the exact same thing all throughout the day, large groups, large cooking is good for you. If you are the type of person who needs diversity and needs change and can't eat the same thing all the time, you could cook this, and you do this 3 or 4 times with different foods. You could spread out those meals throughout the day. if you have a list of recipes you want to try, you could take 5 of them, make it in bulk, and now you have an entire week's worth of food. It's really that simple. It's based on numbers, and we could, really tackle this and really knock down the obesity epidemic here in the United States. So, thank you again for watching. Thank you again for looking at my food. Alrighty? Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, and all that fun jazz, because I keep doing this for you guys, and I want to keep doing it for you guys. Thanks again for everything, guys. Love you. Have a great one.